Do they have them?
I bought them.
How many? 2 or 8?
I just bought 2, but I hope that they work because I probably have to put the hex ones in first and tighten them because I might not be able to get a socket in there with the round one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'll just put that carb clean in it.
Where people want, dude. This dude's rice, dude. He's like talking about.
And I popped off the middle kickstand and I gave it gas at the same time and picked the whole joint in the air, bro.
Oh my god.
Do you think I was right with the whole ETH thing?
What about, oh, like how ETH goes up so that people can buy coins? It's probably a good theory. There's a lot of DeFi coins that are on Ethereum as well. There's like a whole DeFi network, AJ, that you have no clue about.
Is it literally a sticker? Oh my god. You know what I mean? Team being right.
No, boys, dude, when we were in Nevada, there was a huge GMC Denali with the full send logo on it, and we're like, is this them? You know, it was like some random people, and they had like a ton of girls with them, but like we were thinking we were gonna see the Nelk boys or something.
Can you bring that bag? Nah. Ah!
Wow.
If that was in Milwaukee, it wouldn't have done that.
It's been broken. This sauce, dude.
Mushroom the friggin' pilot bearing. Oh yeah, hit the crank more, dude. The bearings are gonna be like, oh. Burnt flywheel, dude. Show that niceness right there.
Is that an eBay flywheel?
Oh yeah.
Well, you get an eBay clutch,
Show-
you get
show the
eBay
mod.
results.
I'm missing one more? You gotta be me.
You were only missing 2.
Oh wait, is it in my pocket?
Probably.
Dude, I'm missing another one.
Oh my god. At Carl's True Value. He's gotta go buy another one.
It probably happened when I took my keys out of my pocket to unlock the door. It probably is out front of our shop.
Oh my god.
Ain't that something? I think we would easily see it.
Yeah, I think he just misplaced it maybe. Classic AJ. It's gonna be a big bolt too.
Chicken wrapper.
Yep. It's not outside.
Where did I put it?
I have no clue.
I'm going back to Carl's.
You're gonna have to take a ride.
We had to go get 2 bolts and a tap. The reason why it was missing those 2 bolts is because they're stripped.
The holes?
Strip the crank out.
Yeah,
Luckily,
they're
it's,
like cross-threaded.
it's only like right up front, so like a tap will easily like
Get that
be able-
first couple of threads.
It just has to clean out those couple threads or make them, because everyone knows when you have a hardened grade 8 or grade 10 bolt and a crank that isn't grade 8 or grade 10 friggin' hardness, just put it in sideways. And you know what I mean? Anyone who buys one of these this generation that's a WRX is rice.
We're gonna FA swap
I could
this.
never settle for. I had trouble finding one of these at the time, and the guy at the dealer, one of the dealerships I went to 3 dealerships. The first dealership, he's like, I could get you in a Rexy. First of all, I've never heard anybody call a WRX a Rexy.
You should have chinned him right there, dude.
Yeah, and second of all, that's not even the same car. Like, I don't want that thing at all.
We're gonna FA swap this thing though.
FA20 BRZ engine. NA.
NA. Leave the hood scoop though.
Jank, junk, and rice, dude.
He doesn't own a single pair of Oakleys.
0 Oakleys.
Carl's
I
True
do not
Bean.
own Oakleys either, but I do vape.
Take your glasses off.
Why?
Take them off.
Oh, you bought me sunglasses, dude? You bought me sunglasses? Oh my god.
No.
Like, I won't be able to see? You actually bought me these?
Yeah.
Jesus, I have to wear them.
Got him the Oakley knockoffs, dude. You want me
No,
to get it?
he's just
Yeah.
missing a can of Monster, and you'll be a 100%.
I won't even be able to see, but I'm gonna drive with them.
The Folkleys, a Monster, and your
Yes.
vape in the Subaru.
With the stickers.
That landed in your.
Talking about how like
Oh
ringland
my
issues
God.
aren't actually a problem. Like,
You know, actually, the Ringland thing is just a myth. Completely a myth. I've had Subaru 20
Blow
years.
the motor right now.
Yeah. backing up in a parking lot. Wow, these are sick, dude. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem, buddy.
We're
Little
trying to
sign-on
find
bonus.
I didn't know the sign-on bonus came with pull.
Should I grease this?
Yeah, put some grease on. That's just what you're supposed to do, dude. Put some on
The wax?
wax. No, dude. Yeah. Put some rubbing compound on there. Basically, you gotta pack the fudge straight in that. It's good stuff, dude.
This is gonna blow apart and I can't wait.
No, it's not, dude.
No, you can.
Oh, dude,
you
it's
can
the
turbo your shit.
48688 PR6, dude.
Yeah, it's like the 4G63 R888.
Oh, yeah, that's a thick Jamie, dude.
Bunk. Red and tacky, dude. Tacky like 5th gen Preludes, dude. 4th gens for life. If it really doesn't go in, then it's not lined up. No, let me see this thing. I'm gonna go look at the input shaft, because if the input shaft is this big, it's not gonna fit in the bear. No, I want to carry it like this, dude. To put it in the back of it, like don't put it underneath it.
Yeah, the thing falls and breaks. I'm gonna be so.
If Damien breaks his back.
Jeez.
This is some straight. Oh my god.
I'll just rip this, dude. You know what I mean? You don't have to hold it up.
I don't want it to like fall.
It's not going to fall.
He's like stabilizing it left to right.
You're welcome, eh?
Yeah, you.
Alright, put it in the car now. Me? Yeah.
Oh, I think the cat is scared of the mic thing.
Yeah, put that part on your shoulder. I'm gonna hold the back end.
Listen to this guy. Put the heavy part on your shoulder. I'm gonna hold
That's how it worked last time. It's only fair.
Yeah, we gotta switch. Now I get the back.
Yeah, right. Should we lower the lift?
Why?
Wasn't it lower last time?
I don't know, probably.
Do you have like an actual jack?
Like we have an actual trans jack.
Yeah,
that'd be dope as dude. Dude, this has been gone over like 9 times. It's called a Helmholtz resonator and it deletes drone. This is a replica.
Oh, that's why it doesn't sound like a
Trumpet.
trumpet. This thing's a pilot. Dude, look at these welds,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, it needs.
You see these welds?
Yeah, these
needs
book
and
welds.
no casts. It's a VQ, dude. It
I should
needs
just
to be
re-weld
straight
it all.
You're gonna have to go up some.
This thing's bent, dude.
This thing's sketchy as
No, it's not bent. It's just how they come stock.
I bent it.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to go up.
Do you think so? That high, my guy, dude. I can't even.
You can drop it down to the trans shaft.
Seen Beanery.
You're gonna have to ratchet shaft it too, obviously.
Nah, dude, that's for fools.
It's not gonna fall now. It's gonna be its wedge.
Okay. Oh, as it falls.
Did it go in at all?
No.
In case it works. Try that. That looks a lot thinner already. Try it, dude. That looks a lot
Fit
thinner.
in a little bit more, but it's not gonna go in there. You see what I mean?
Oh, dude, that's nice.
No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. Still not going, dude.
These are like these bolts. This and the starter bolt. There's just no
Yeah.
room under here.
Well, we got her in there. Had to massage the.
The glue.
Yeah.
They're like, you're not supposed to be pulling it in. You're gonna crack your tranny in half.
Because basically we just gotta get like 4 of these, like the bottom 2 and the top 2 bolts in, lower the tranny, get the harness all hooked up, drive shaft on, slips in there, bolts in there, exhaust, and slave cylinder, and this thing should be good. And hopefully it doesn't make any noises.
Any gold here, little bud?
Couldn't find the leash, now we got a leash, dude. Check them out. Having a good time. Come on, Carl, let's go pee-pee, dude.
Literally a leash on top of my box.
I don't know what's going on out here, but they're 2-step in the Cummins, dude. Holy shit! That thing's chooching, dude. guess when you don't have stock cats, you can just kind of do it like this. It's working out pretty good for AJ, dude. So now, just little back pieces. Actually, I think it's just that one piece, right? Just this. I think after that, we should be done. Yeah, dude, we got the whole exhaust up there. We're just missing one bolt, so AJ's looking for a nut for that right now, but we just gotta tighten these things down, dude, and should be ready to freaking rock and roll, send her home, grind, sink, Rose.
I bought this coffee like 4 hours ago.
Is it gross now?
It's disgusting.
Is it all watered down now? Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's literally just battery, that thing, and then the math. Where's the worm? Oh, the worm clamp's up there. All right, yeah, dude, so that's it. Friggin', we're starting this thing up. Next clip, yeah, I'm gonna roast you. So AJ tightened the terminals, right? And I was like, yeah, just tighten this bolt right here, because that's the one that's a little bit loose because it was moving a little bit. He tightens this one, and I'm like, it's not that one, it's not that one, it's not that one, and it just blew up, dude. Throws a rod.
That'd be sick.
Alrighty.
I don't know what the just came flying out, but it didn't grind.
Didn't grind, dude.
Didn't grind. Go, dude. Oh yeah. I'm stoked. So I'm gonna hit this road, but this clutch pedal feels like absolute.
I can see that it literally has like that much play in total.
Yeah, dude.
I think we fixed her, bud.
I think so too. Dude, she's mint now. Dude, I'm so stoked. Holy
Before you, dude.
like that is great.
You can rev match normally now.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, let's go, dude.
That is perfect.
All right, well, AJ just went to dinner, or Ryan went to dinner. My mom's in Florida, so I'm just chilling here for like an hour or two, something like that. Just lit up, I'm gonna light up the hookah. I got my guy Carlos over here posted up, and I'll do this other headlight for this dude. I didn't even, for context, I didn't wet sand or anything. I didn't do anything but buff this headlight. So the other headlight is gonna pop back just like that one did. Done, you know what I mean? So obviously, besides all the nastiness that's like on the hood and whatnot, there's that one, and there's that one, eh? Check it out, dude. Obviously, gotta clean, all of it, but. And for the people that are gonna say something about like clearing these and blah, 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 don't do it. I don't do it. Reason being, it's way easier to take literally like 3 minutes, hit this thing with a buffer, and it be mint, just wool pad. Didn't have to use anything else. Didn't sand these, didn't do anything other than throw some Ardex, which is just, it's an okay brand. It's cheaper. 1,000+ rubbing compounds, $25, not expensive. I stand by the purple bottle 3M rubbing compound, but that stuff works okay too. Just threw that at it, dude, with a wool pad, and boom, it's mint. You know what I mean? So freaking, if you guys are wondering how to get headlights to look super crispy, rubbing compound and a wool pad. Yeah, dude, me too. So we're gonna meet AJ, dude.
You're driving, buddy.
Oh, I'm driving?
I'm not driving. I thought you were driving.
You're in the driver's seat, dude.
Yeah, to warm it up for us.
Oh, sick.
Wait, where's Kyle?
He's in the car.
Oh, sick.
Opens and then like locks.
Try and come in like this way and then enter. Yeah, if he grabbed second right there, he would have been killing this whole parking lot to pieces.
Can you feel the seam beats?
You can literally feel the tire like let go, grab, let go, grab, let go, grab. Like, what the